Wagwan, wagwan. Welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Today I'll be making me some authentic Jamaican gungo rice and peas in my kitchen the traditional way. So if you want to learn this authentic recipe, please do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go ahead and cook us some gungo rice and peas in my kitchen. Let's go. So this is all of the ingredients we are going to use to make my gungo rice and peas. Over here, so I have my basmati rice, and I will be using 3 cups of the basmati rice. You don't have to use basmati rice. You could use the rice of your choice. Alright? I'll use this up basmati rice today. Over here, so now I have my gungo peas. I may use 1 cup of my gungo peas. Alright? So this is what it looks like. Yeah. The fine green peas. We call it gungo peas at Jamaica. Alright? Yeah. Over here, so now I have my Grace Classic coconut milk. Cannot get any better than this. I have my whole pimento seed. Here, so now I have all of the seasoning them to season it, give a little taste, flavor, and that little buzzy taste there. You know what I say? We want flavor in our food. Here, so now I have some salted sweet cream butter, salted butter. Alright? I have some scallion right here, so 2 stalks of scallion. I have my fresh thyme. I have 2 scotch bonnet pepper. I have 6 cloves of garlic. And over here, so now I make you the rundown. I have some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning, and some salt to give it a little taste and flavor. So if you want to learn this gungo rice and peas recipe, please stay tuned. Do not forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and let's go cook us some gungo rice and peas. Alright, so we're going to know we have to wash our peas. This is what it looks like when it's washed and clean up. So let's move on to the next process. To my pot now, I'm gonna go in with my gungo peas. Alright, and just like so. And for cook our gungo peas, I'm going in with my cloves of garlic. I just want to crush the garlic and just drop in there like so. We are going to cover this up and we are going to let this cook for like an hour and a half, and then basically we want it to be tender. So whenever it is cooked, we're gonna come back and we're gonna check and to see if it is tender. So see you guys back soon. And we are back to check on our gungo peas, and as you can see, the water is going down a lot. Burn up with gungo peas, alright? To my pot, I'm going in with 4 cups of water so that my peas can cook properly. Give it a mix around. Let me check if it's cooked. It is not cooked as yet. It is still hard. See, it is still hard. Not even a press out. Still hard. Alright? So we put that in the sun. Cover it up, and we'll see you back in the next remaining minutes we're left. The 1.5 hour is not finished, so make that one cook. So see you guys back soon. Now we are back and we're going to check on our gungo peas. Everything is looking nice. Now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to check and see if my gungo peas is cooked. And it is cooked, tender, and it's looking also good. So what we're going to do, we are going to put this back. We're not going to cover it back as yet because now it is time for us to add our seasoning, coconut milk, and all of that niceness. So let's move on to that process. So to all of our seasoning now, we're going to push this to the side. We're going to move forward with our coconut milk. Right? We're going to add 2 holes in the side. I already shake it up already. We're going to move forward and we're going to put this in all of that niceness over there. So let's go. So we are going in with our coconut cream and we're just adding half of our coconut milk. We don't want to make it too creamy, so yes, this is enough and it looks really good. Giving it that stir. All right, now we are back over here, and what I am going to do is I am going to put this to the side. It's already washed. All right. To that, I'm going to just pierce the scotch bonnet pepper with my knife, so all that flavor can, you know, be infused into my food. Now all of this niceness is going into our pot to season it for our rice. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's go. I'm going in with my fresh thyme, scallion. Just pour some in there just like so. Just going to add that for now. We're going to give it a taste test to see how it is. We're going to add our scotch bonnet peppers, and then we're going to give it a stir. And I am just going to go ahead and give this a little taste test. Perfect. Does not need anything more else to be added to this. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to cover this up and let everything come to a boil for like 20 to 25 minutes. See you guys soon. Guys, I forgot to add my pimento seed. I'm just going to add them now. My apologies, but please add them whenever you add all your seasoning to your pot. My apologies. At this point, we are going to clean up our rice. Here it is, guys. My rice is washed and cleaned and it's looking oh so good. So let's move on to the next process. We are back and let's check on our niceness right here. To that, I am going in with my rice, adding all of that. I know say this a gungo peas here, I go shell off. Let me say it's I go shell off, guys. Give it that mix, making sure everything is well combined. I'm going to go ahead and add my butter. It's going to melt out as yes, it's going to melt out. So just I'm going to let it melt out in it. See, it's already melting out. It's hot. We're going to cover this, and my stove is on medium heat, and we're going to cover this and we're going to let everything come to a little steaming point. So see you guys back like roughly like 20 to 25 minutes. See you soon. we are back and I am going to check on my gungo rice and peas. OMG, when I say Shelly, this is Shelly. Look at all of that, guys. Wow. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove all the thyme stem. Yes, we don't want to swallow any of this, so we want to make sure it's moved. Now we're going to take out that bad boy because we want to enjoy our rice and peas.
There you have it, my authentic Jamaican gungo rice and peas in my kitchen. Detail, step by step, and is tasting oh so delicious. So if you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button, turn your post notification button on so you don't miss out any video that I post. Comment and tell me how much you would rate this video. Please do not forget to try it in your kitchen and let me know how it turned out. You can have this with whatever meat choice of your kind. I am going to enjoy this with some nice authentic Jamaican curry goat. So stay safe, stay hydrated, and see you guys soon. Bye for now.